Please, me. For you.
I heard your secret out loud, the one you never sent. You held my whole small wreckage like it was common sense. I was all open up. You were calm, you were calm. I mistook the healing for a place I could hide.
I found dogs
But you
on a
saw
mailbox.
me, you saw
So that people can
me
stop looking.
all the
How
way.
fucking sweet is that person that lost their dog? Hung the side, dog kicked back,
Not as a
and they found dogs.
burden,
That's
just a life trying to stay. You could be friends with me.
used through.
You could be friends with me.
Past the line.
Say it again, say it plain. You could be friends with me. I don't need a rescue, I just need you near. You could be friends with me. After all these years, 30 years is a river, and I still know your name. Like a light in the window that never learned to fade. I came in half trembling with my hope in my hands. You stood there so steady, like you understood the land. And I made you a symbol, then I made myself small.
You could call
But
it
you
Lord.
were only human, and that made it more of a call. You could be friends with me.
Than others.
You could be friends with me. Say it again, say it plain. You could be friends with me. I don't need a rescue, I just need you near. You could be friends with me. You could be friends with
More
me.
mythic. More-ish.
If I loved you sideways, if I loved you from afar, if I called it religion when it was just my heart, then let me stand here honest. Let me shake and be seen. You don't have to save me, just don't look through
You break a
me.
couple eggs to make a fucking omelet, don't you?
You could be friends with me. You could be friends with me. Say it again, say it plain. You could be friends with me. I don't need a rescue, I just need you
Clean the street.
near.
Just push it around.
You could be friends with me.
It's found.
You could be friends with me.
Let's grow. That's
And that can be enough to hold me here.
saying, let's grow. Let's grow past just needing to go. That was like the days of what's up before it became what's good, yo. More was being understood. Though. And maybe it's that though that's the most important syllable, though. There's this, and then there's that. These are just thoughts, yo. Not declarations, exclamations, questions, and answers. That's how we form them to be. Shows our intent, algebraically, intensely, recompensely, he likes to say, because everything comes back and forth and pays off in a different way. Diffuse, attenuated, so, we don't say. But it's there, though. Most importantly, though. If you're going to speak, make it thoughtful and leave it incomplete. Though. There is this. And then I assume there'll be that. Yo. How about that, though? Let's grow.
I don't grow up, I grow up. And when I look at you, I show up. If you notice me though I might throw up. Please don't slow up. Following you is the only way I know to go up. But I didn't expect you to save me a cup. You never gave to a pup. Now I bite my tongue and I keep my chin tucked up while my throat stays sprung. Thirst taught me how to get down. Thirst taught me what's up. Save me a cup, save me a cup. I don't need much. Save me a cup, save me a cup, save me a cup. I came up dry. Save me a cup, save me a cup. I wore my pride like a ripped up patch. You wore grace like a shut-up match. I kept chasing every flash till it turned to ash. Now I laugh when I hear my name in the mouth of the same old flame. I was starving just to play that game. Now I know shame, so if I lean, don't call it weak. I'm just tired of talking sleek. I got dust in my teeth and the bruise on my street. How to get down. Thirst taught me. I was all teeth, all need, all nerve and no seed. You looked through me clean like a scream. But I came back loud with a ragged crowd. If you leave me now, I don't bow. Save me a cup, save me a cup. I don't need much. Save me a cup, save me a cup, save me a cup. I came up dry. Save me a cup. Save me
Well, sometimes you see a big case of water plastic get kind of caught in a car in an intersection and seem a little hazardous, so you run out into the intersection, you grab it, and you realize if you tie one end, it can be a bag. And with a bag, you can store all this biodegradable litter you see along your path you walk. Fill it up, and hey, decide it was meant to be. I'm not gonna get every piece of wet, disgusting plastic out of this trench, and I don't plan on touching anyone's cigarette butts, but I am gonna make it fucking cleaner. And that's not to be politically correct or a fucking hero. It's to feel good and see good things happen around me and understand I belong on the fucking planet of earth and grass and water, not plastic and metal and bullshit. So thank you. One love. Remember to stay watery, my friends. Oh, looks like my bag isn't very structurally sound. We'll have to patch that.
Carry the load, rolling my head down that cold road. Shoelace tight, mind on a rail, heavy hard step, tracing a trail. Pressure on me, still I rotate, heavy on purpose, I don't stagnate. Let it press it, let it shake me, grip that notion where you take me. Stay way to integrate, change,
What it means to
stay way, let it rearrange,
causes concern.
like a silver ring, turn that head into a spring. Old skin shedding on the black top. Every fall taught me how to not stop. You can call it stubborn, I call it proof. I move through pressure while I stay true. Let it press it, let it shape me. Grip that notion where you take me. Stay way to integrate. Change state, change state. Skate with weight, let it rearrange. Change state, change state. I was a block at first, now I've been with the road. All that resistance turns into gold. Stay with weight to integrate. Change state, change state. Stay with weight, let it rearrange. Change state, change state.
Heavy bag of plastics, metals, some glass, some paper waste. Mostly little bits picked up along the way, just between Palm and Hiatus, on good old Pines Boulevard.
Four seasons.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Air, fire, earth, water, no higher reasons. Then went into the speed constraints, directions explain, convections refrain, infections rise to the occasion. Then fall back, wind turn and spring some more. Round and round they go. Occasions keep coming. Round and round they go. Occasions keep coming. Round and round they go. Keep coming round, round.
What you do, why, where, will have my five senses where. Well, not what you smell
Fall
and
back,
taste
wind
like,
turn and
yeah,
spring some more.
or feel like. Feel free to leave comments 6, 7, 8 on those subjects and others. Great, good, and hard to differentiate. That's gross. Ooh, that one hit me in the kidney, yo. Get on the chin.
Occasions keep coming.
Kept the grit. Starting to settle in. Start flushing.
Keep coming
Go
round.
through my own appearances. I used to know. I told you though. Though. Let's go. Yeah.
And you had to say when you realize that you really do need to clean your belly button